Hello class, and today we're going to look at slide transitions, which is how one slide changes into the next. And I'm going to show you here what it looks like without any transitions. So I'm going to click slideshow, and when I click, it will automatically just go to the next slide with no transition. Okay, so I have all the information that I want on there, but I would like it to have a little bit more pizzazz. So I'm going to start on the first slide and go up here to transitions. Now when you select your transitions, first of all you have a lot of different options and you can kind of preview them before you decide on one that you like. I'm going to pick random bars here for this one. And once you have a selection made, you can either apply to all, and it even gives you effect options. So if you want it to go horizontal, you can pick that one, or vertical. You can have all of the slides have the same transition. You can determine the duration. So if I increase the duration here, let's see what happens. It takes a little bit longer for those bars to go through their animation. So I can also determine whether I want the slides to transition when I click next or after a set time. You can see that if I set 3 seconds, then it'll automatically transition to the next slide. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it on, click on mouse, and I'm going to pick a few different transitions just to see. Let's try this one. Okay. Let's do push. Okay, and I like it to be a little slower. Let's do a typical fade. Let's preview that. There we go. On here, let's do ripple. That sounds cool. Yeah, that is kind of cool. And for this one, let's try dissolve. But I like it to dissolve a little bit slower. There we go. Okay, so now let's start at the beginning and take a look at our show now that we have transitions. And dissolving into the last slide. Okay.